The Indo-Russian Tourism Knowledge Exchange highlighted the potential of close ties between the two countries.
This is their complex business mission that we are arranging today. It is in the view of the visit of the President of the Russian Federation, Mr. Putin, and tourism is one of the areas of expansion for us in Russia.
The idea of this business mission was to understand how to increase the flow between India and Russia. So it is a platform to exchange ideas and expectations, and we also have got involved all the associations now from India, and we hope to make conventions next year in Russia. With respect to promoting India-Russia tourism, Russian Information Center so far from 2016 has organized about 10 FAM tours. We have taken about 250 travel agents from India to Russia. So in 2 years, we've brought about 100 odd travel agents from Russia to India.
We want to do more and more to attract tourists from both the countries, whether from India to Russia or from Russia to India also. And the Ministry of Tourism is doing a roadshow in St. Petersburg on 10th and 11th of October just to promote, showcase India.
Delhi and Mumbai airports are set to close their runways for maintenance this winter. Nepal launches a new tourism promotion targeting 2 million international visitors through its Visit Nepal 2020 campaign. Oman Tourism conducted a multi-city roadshow.
This is an annual roadshow which we're covering main cities in India. So this year we had in Delhi and Bombay, then Ahmedabad. We have a delegation of 14 companies who are coming here to present the Oman.
We are really happy to promote Oman as a destination, which is the capital or being the national carrier. We would love to get in more people there.